Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My apologies for the very long delay. It's been a very long winter and I had some personal stuff going on. Both my parents passed away this past winter and spring, so I was away for a bit and finally got a chance to come back to the channel and the 390 Duke. So today what we're going to be learning is how we put on these awesome Pillion handrails, and it's a straightforward, easy install, and let's go over it and see how it looks. If you're curious on what comes with the kit, well, it's just these Pillion grab handles and 4 bolts, so it should be a very easy install. More to come. Okay, so I have my metric hex kit. Let's try a 5mm, and let's see if that works. Okay, first things first, let's take out the 5mm hex. Let's see here. Zoom, focus. Okay, so it opened up. I'm gonna pull these out and get back to you. Here we have the 2 hex bolts that came out. And here's the Pillion handle on the one side. Here's a replacement, very long. Let's see if that's appropriate. Be back shortly. Okay, so after a little bit of finagling, you put the long bolts in the front hole and the shorter bolts in the back hole. And then you tighten it, it'll be tight. This is still a little loose. I will come back to you shortly. Okay, and so this is what the final product looks like. I would recommend these Pillion handrails. Very sturdy. Looks sharp. Looks like it belongs on the bike. And just remember, the hardest part of this install is the longest bolts go up in the front, shortest ones go in the back. And that's it in a nutshell. All right, guys, enjoy your day, and thank you for stopping by. Have a good one.